How to Unfriend People Fast in Roblox 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend people fast in Roblox step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone or PC and make sure you are logged in to your account. Method 1. Unfriend from Friends List. Basic way. Tap on the More or menu icon. Go to Friends. Now you'll see your full friends list. Find the person you want to remove, then tap on their profile. Click Unfriend or Remove Friend. Confirm it, and they will be removed instantly. Method 2. Fast Unfriend Method. Search bar trick. Tap on the search icon. Type the username of the person. Open their profile. Now tap Unfriend directly. This is faster if you already know the username. Method 3. Unfriend on PC, even faster. If you are using a computer, go to your Friends tab. Hover over the username, click the three dots or three-dotted icon, and select Unfriend. Bonus tip, speed method. Roblox does not have a bulk unfriend button, so you have to remove users one by one, but using search makes the process much faster. And that's it. Now you know how to unfriend people quickly in Roblox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.